3-minute maths videos are going to be released every single week, so be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on any in the future. Enjoy the video. Okay, so the following method for finding the area of a triangle only works for 3 different types of triangles. The first is a right angle triangle, the second is an isosceles triangle, and the third is a special kind of isosceles triangle called an equilateral triangle, where all the lengths and angles are the same. So those are the 3 types of triangles that this formula is going to work with. So the first thing to do is to label our base, which is B, which is the horizontal length of our triangle, and the second thing is to label the height, which is H, which for the right angle triangle is simply the vertical length, and for the equilateral and the isosceles triangle it's the vertical distance between the base and the tip of the triangle, and we label that H. So the one type of triangle that this method / formula doesn't work for is called a scalene triangle, and this is when all the sides are of different length and all the angles are different. So scalene triangles this formula will not work with. Okay, so the actual formula itself is linked to the base and the height, and we say the area of a triangle is equal to half multiplied by the base multiplied by the height. So here's an actual example now. So the first thing to do is to write down our formula, which is area is equal to half base height, and then we simply sub in our values. So we have area is equal to a half multiplied by the base, which is 8 in this case, multiplied by the vertical height, which is 10. Computing this, we get 40, and of course because we're working with area we must remember our units, and the units are centimetres squared. Okay, so let's do an example now where we know the area and we need to work out either B or H, like this one here. So we've got an area of 20 centimetres squared, we've got a vertical height of 8 centimetres, and we need to work out B. So again, the first thing to do is to write down our formula, area equals half times the base times the height. Then we sub in the values that we know, so we've got 20 is equal to half multiplied by B multiplied by the height, which is 8. We then solve to get B is equal to 5 simply by multiplying the half by 8 to get 4 and dividing our 20 by the 4 to get 5. So we get B is equal to 5, and again remember the units, which is 5 centimetres. I hope this 3-minute video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram as well as TikTok for more daily content. I do offer private tutoring, and if you are interested you can send me an email with the email address on the screen. And for more free maths help, check out the 2 videos on your screen now.